What is a drop servicing agency? Is it better than drop shipping? And is this the best business model that you can start and scale in 2021 and beyond? So in this video, we're going to talk about what this whole drop servicing business model is, why it's such an incredible opportunity right now, and how you can start one with literally $0 invested and zero experience and scale it to 4 to 5 figures in a year. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Let's Talk Success. Let's start off by knowing how this drop servicing business model works. Drop servicing is the practice of selling services to a customer for a certain price, say $100, then hiring someone else to provide the service for the client at a lower price, $50, and pocketing the difference without the client knowing you outsourced the project. Say you find a client who needs writing services for their website. They are willing to pay you $1,500 for the delivery of 10 articles over the next 10 weeks. If you decide to drop service this job, first you'll find a freelance writer, maybe on FIVERR or Upwork, who is willing to write the articles for less than $1,500 you are getting paid, say $1,000. Then you get the articles back from the writer and deliver them to the client. You've paid out $1,000, gotten paid $1,500, and pocket $500 for your service. So let's say you go to FIVERR. They provide a lot of services. You go to writing and translation, then articles and blog posts. Select article language, say English. Select article topic, let's say business, finance and law. You can choose the seller level. It is best to choose level 1 and level 2 sellers, as top-rated sellers charge way too much. If you want, you can filter the budget and delivery time too. Let's choose this gig. Check all the packages and the services listed. Make sure they offer revisions, because if the client needs some changes, you can contact this seller for the same changes to be done. So if the gig fulfills all the requirements, place the order here. Once you get the order delivered, deliver it to your client. Some more examples of drop servicing jobs could be digital products. There is a decent chance that any digital product you've bought online was written by someone on FIVERR for less than you paid for it. Social media management. Many social media firms outsource content creation to freelancers and then deliver the content as their own to the client. Graphic design, video production, audio production, podcast creation, copywriting, website design. You want to think of yourself in a drop servicing business as the middleman, and middlemen make the most money if you think about it. Uber, Lyft, Airbnb, Expedia. These are all middlemen. They don't own houses. They don't own cars. They're just the connector between the customer and the person who's delivering the service, right? So Lyft, for example. They don't own any car. What they do is they connect drivers to people who need a ride. So that's what you're doing. Once you've found a service that works, that's high value, all you gotta do is keep on getting more clients. So when you decide what service you are going to offer, in our case, copywriting, create an Excel sheet just like this, where you have the list of freelancers and agencies you found on FIVERR and Upwork, their charges, and what all services they provide. And then create a doc listing what you are going to offer to your client. So whoever you choose to hire for the job, look at what services he or she is providing. Now comes the pricing. You would want to price your service to be 3 times more than the freelancer or agency you'll be hiring. For example, if the freelancer's price is $15, you'll charge 3 times $15, which is $45, which leaves you with a $30 profit. Isn't that great? Boom, there is your blueprint. You can follow this and start your services right now. Okay, now how do you find clients though? For example, you decide to provide video editing services. You go to YouTube, Find relatively new channels, which have 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. Usually, you'll find a business email on their About section. You mail them or even schedule a call, saying that you admire the work they have put in building the channel and community, and how you can help them grow even more and produce quality content for their channel. Then you list down what services you will provide, and finally, if they would like to work with you. And you send this email to 30 to 50 different channel owners. Wait for them to reply. If you don't get any replies, send them an email again, saying that you would really like to work with them and help them grow their channel. And once replies start coming in, now please mind that not every channel will reply to your email. You can then tell how much you will charge for the service you will provide, and all other details. You can do the same thing on Instagram, TikTok, or any other social media platform that needs video editing services. The second way to find clients requires a little investment, but no human interaction. You can run Google or Facebook ads, preferably Google ads. Create a funnel or a website. When the client searches for your service, they see your ad. He or she then visits your website and places an order. Now, if you decide to go with this business model, you should know the cons too, which nobody tells you. The most obvious negative attribute of drop servicing is a lack of quality control. You don't have full control over the quality of the digital service because you aren't doing it yourself. You may end up spending a lot of time fixing other people's work if you outsource the wrong provider. This eats away at your margin and your time. To solve this, make sure you have several vetted, qualified freelancers who you trust. Put effort into building relationships with great freelancers so when a deadline looms, you can count on them to deliver. Another con that some, but not all, would feel is moral ambiguity. There's a potential moral issue if your client doesn't know you are drop servicing the service. If they think you are handling the service on your own and you don't tell them you're outsourcing the job, that's morally ambiguous. If you do drop service, make sure you are upfront about your process. Let your client know that you have a team of qualified freelancers who you manage and that you take responsibility for all deliverables. Your reputation will be directly and perhaps irreversibly damaged should clients find out that you're getting unoriginal, plagiarized, or just poor quality work that you perhaps didn't check carefully enough yourself. So before delivering to the client, make sure the quality is 100%, and same as what you would provide if you had put in the work yourself. That's it. If you like our video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Comment down below which business model you want to learn next. See you in the next video. Take care.